You need 5 bedrooms for under $530,000? We've got you covered. Hi, I'm Leanne, Realty One Group, homesinspirada.com, here to show you this gorgeous 2-story home. It's got 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths. It's ready to go. Come take a look.
All right, so all tile down. We just did this home across the street, identical floor plan, not a week and a half ago, I believe. So, and I did talk about this on the Inspirada Minute when I did. Anyhow, it's really nice that you have a bedroom down, which is a nice size. And I like even have this little built-in nook over here. Really great if you have any in-laws living with you. So, because there is full bath down. Run out to the backyard. So good sized backyard. And we're talking $530,000. This is a really comfortable price point to be in Inspirada for single family. So we'll head upstairs. So you have the 1 bedroom down, and then you have 4 more up. And this house is super bright. I barely had to turn on any lights. So here's bedroom 2, bedroom 3, bedroom 4, full bath up, upstairs laundry, here's the primary. Do have a closet here. Come over here. So we have another closet. So a lot of closet space. So toilet, dual sinks, shower tub combo. So anyhow, by now you know Jeff Mix, Realty One Group, homesinspirada.com. We have every listing from every brokerage all on our site. If you want to see this home or any other home, reach out. Thanks for watching.